like I'm holding again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind. I said those words before that was a lie. You deserve to hear it 1,000 times. If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? When I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes, all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is, why am I in